Ever wondered if your favorite banking app, Monzo, could be your gateway to the investment world? If you're a Monzo customer in the UK, the answer is a definite yes. Monzo has brought investing right into their popular app, making it incredibly simple for beginners or anyone who wants their investing all in one place. But how do you actually get started? Let's walk through the simple steps to start investing with Monzo. First, you need to open an investment account. You'll find the option in the Savings and Investments section of the Monzo app, usually on the home screen or Accounts tab. Just tap on Investments and then open another account. Next, you'll choose the type of account, a Stocks and Shares ISA or a General Investment Account, or GIA. Now, this is important. A Stocks and Shares ISA lets you invest up to $$20,000 per tax year without paying UK income or capital gains tax on your returns. A GIA is great if you've already used your ISA allowance, but any profits might be taxable. Monzo can't give you financial advice, so a quick bit of research to see which one suits you best is definitely recommended. Now for the fun part, choosing what to invest in. Monzo keeps it straightforward. They offer a selection of funds managed by BlackRock, one of the world's largest investment managers. You can choose a ready-made fund based on your risk appetite, careful, balanced, or adventurous. Or, if you prefer, you can build your own portfolio from a wider selection of funds focused on things like emerging industries or global markets. Once you've made your choice, you can start small, with as little as $1. You can make a one-off payment or set up regular investing to automatically drip-feed money into your fund, which is a great habit to build. A quick note on fees: Monzo charges a platform fee, which is a percentage of your investment value each year, plus a fund management fee that goes to BlackRock. These fees are clear and visible in the app, but always check the latest charges before you start. And that's it. With a few taps in the Monzo app, you can start putting your money to work. Remember though, investing always involves risk. The value of your investments can go down as well as up. It's a long-term game, so only invest money you're comfortable putting away for a while. If you're a UK Monzo customer and you've been looking for a simple, in-app way to begin investing, Monzo's platform might be the perfect starting line. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.